I'm going to show you how to keep your drawstring ponytail from falling off when you flap your head. Show you how to keep it in place. Some of us are going natural, but our hair isn't big enough or long enough or poofy enough to keep it from coming off. So once you get your hair all pulled up, put it in the ponytail. You can leave the poof of your own hair out or tuck in, however you want. The secret is, and I discovered this trying to find many things on how to get this achieved, the banana clip. Bam. Take it from the back and close it in after you've put your ponytail in, like I said. Hold on, let me make sure. So, taking all my hair in. And clip the banana clip. Close it as much as you can. Then you take your drawstring ponytail, the back of it. Mine has a comb clip on the back. Take the back and put it up under. Hook it on your hair, but under the banana clip. Then take the front part. I know this hair is raggedy, y'all. This is the third time I'm using it. Only wear it for a few hours a day. Anyway. Now take the front part with the comb. Stick it under your hair. And under the front of the banana clip. Okay? You can tighten your string like you normally do to your satisfaction. Okay, as you can see, it will look no different once you style it as desired. Wrap your string. I take one of those banana clip barrettes and I put it in my string and I banana clip it up under here. Okay, that's clipped. As I said, style as desired. Watch this. Drawstring ponytail goes nowhere. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you keep your drawstring ponytail from falling off and coming out of your head. No matter how hard you snatch or shake or rap, you can go to the gym, work out, do flips, turn ups, dance floor, and it's still there. Bye.